So we're going to do something we never usually do, show you all the stuff.
We're actually going to show you the drama before we go away on holiday for once.
So this is Nikki, I'm going to be going on to...
Oh, this battery's too big for the van, as in size-wise. Power-wise, it's exactly what we need, or so we thought. But the only thing is, it's a nightmare to try and fit it in. So I could really be doing with Sharon holding a wee torch for a minute. Will I try and fish for the wee hole that this goes in? I need it. Keep going over.
Oh, hopefully we get this in and the van starts. And holidays are back on next week.
There's quite a lot of hopefullys, but...
Yep. What's going on?
I think I need to take this off.
How?
Because I can't get it in, because that bit keeps hitting off the side before it actually gets in far enough.
This might be all we get done today.
And the leisure battery, we should be able to get that done.
What you lost?
10mm spanner that I just bloody found. Oh, I didn't take it out the rucksack.
You got a hand pushing that in?
Checking everything's fine.
Come on, yay! It's done!
We are in! I'll get that all screwed back up before that.
Yep. We're nearly ready for testing. So we even explained what happened to the battery actually, why we're doing this, no?
I did another the snowboarding video that's probably not going to even be a video, so...
Basically the minus 15 or whatever we had drained and froze our battery.
And I mean froze. It took 5 hours for the battery to defrost.
Yeah, so we
before
took...
it would take a charge.
So
and then it spent the next 3 days charging. So it's now sat for about, how long do you think that's been? About 4 days, 5 days since it fully charged. And it's sat at 100 the whole time.
the last wee bit. And then here we go. Is that us?
That's us.
Oh, fingers, toes, everything crossed. This starts, we're going on holiday next week. Good luck. Yay!
The van is alive again.
We're going on holiday.
Now that all the bloody snow's gone and I can't go snowboarding, the van is alive.
That was a good save. Right, so we're going to check all the... Do you need the torch to put into any of this? Right, so I'm going to sign you off now. Nikki's going to mess about with... She might put you onto a camera in here, showing you what she's doing in here. I'm just cleaning, nothing exciting. Nikki's going to now try and fix our leisure battery that broke as well.
Didn't break, it just totally died. But minus 15.
Yeah, we're in Scotland. Right.
I didn't bother filming, the leisure battery's wired up. It's just a simple wiring up a leisure battery. No hassle. So that's all working. We're sitting at 13 volts, so that's good. Now I'm going to try this diesel heater, make sure that's all fine. See that? That's all working. Well, it's starting. Van's at 10 degrees today. That's a difference for the -5 the last time I was in. So that's the boot all tidied. I've not seen it like this for a very long time. Because we've not been able to get in the back doors because I've had to duct tape them up to keep the water from getting in. Crazy. So, finished tidying up and then that should be us done. Everything's working. Could maybe take it a wee run and see as well. So Sharon's cleaned it all, she's done a good job. It's looking all spotless. Such a long dipstick. Right, min, max. Perfect, just below max.
So engine tick then?
Yep, engine totally tick.
Good, good. Battery tick.
Right guys, this is how organised we are being right now. It is 6 days before we go on holiday and I'm taking the van out of drive to make sure it's all running fine. All the fluids have been checked. Most organised we've ever been, honestly. So I think we're probably going up to Cullen, Portnocky, Lossiemouth. So that's just north of Inverness. But when we get up to there, we're only going to be about an hour and a half away from the very north-west tip of Scotland. So I think we might end up there. We'll see. If the weather's letting us know we're not going to get snow, because people were trapped for 3 days. Not trapped, but they couldn't get the roads cleared for about 3 days. So I don't fancy being stuck for 3 days in a van with the 2 dogs, worrying about heat and diesel heaters, not having enough electricity to work. So hopefully next time I get back to you, we are heading off on our holidays. See you later. How many dogs would let you do this? See, Buffy, 100% trust, haven't you?
And there we are, going on our holidays.
We are heading north to Lossiemouth.
We just missed the whole E9 out for you, you're only missing much.
No, it's a damp grey day, there's not really that much snow in the hills.
We're heading just to Lossiemouth, so we're just came off the E9 now. Hopefully get a decent wee park up there.
We have 51 miles to go, it's going to take us an hour and 11 minutes.
We've got these two, which are doing brilliant.
We're going to be very tempted because it's going to take us right past the snow roads.
Buffy, hello darling, hello. Hello. There's the darling boy. There's the darling boy. They've been brilliant.
Yeah, and this is quite a big one because this is the longest they will ever have been away in the van.
Yep. So the wee test to see if they can come to the island. Or they're getting dropped off back home with Abby. So right, we're getting a wee beach park up for them. I don't think we're going to get the beach tonight. Don't know, see what it's still like. If not, we'll be on the beach first thing tomorrow getting knackered.
We'll be out a walk tonight to find out where the takeaways are though.
Maybe we'll stop off at a wee pub, we're going to try and do things like that with them, aren't we?
Yep.
A bit more social. So maybe do that with them. Then we'll probably just get back to you when we get parked up at Lossiemouth, if that's where we end up.
So, here's where we woke up this morning. They've got no can playing, looking. There's the wee rat bags.
Come on then.
Making us beauty in this weather. Oh, this is Lossiemouth. On a very cold, wet, miserable February morning. Dogs aren't bothered,
Dogs are, yep.
especially once they get over that bridge and onto that sand. Are you happy you're on your holiday, Xander? Are you all happy? Still don't think he's noticed what I've got in my hand. Which is that. Oh, he's noticed it now. Not bad then. Couple of minute walk, we're on the beach. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but there's people out there surfing. Oh, he's actually even up. That? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? So there, see the van? Aye. You can see the van just over there beside the van lorry. There's the guys at the surfboards. Buffy's going mental because Buffy's happy. You go? Go then. I'm gonna get you. That's it. That's it. You're getting it. Go get Xander. Go play with Xander. Right, don't play with Xander then. Lovely big beach. Really good beach for the dogs. Right. Buffy, go get it. Right, Xander, leave. Right, you ready? Right, leave it. Right, run in. Right, leave it. So, didn't film too much out in our walk because it was wild. So both dogs are in, both dogs have all their drying coats on. Sharon's all back and dried. Heating's on, and then we are heading to, where are we heading to?
Goldsby.
Goldsby today, we think. Hey guys, we are off to Goldsby. We think.
Take a plane to Belize. You could make a flame in the shadows. You could find everything you need. Make the move and it will follow. You could climb the mountain top. Paint a dream just like Picasso. You can have anything you want. Living like there's no tomorrow.
The reason why we put the camera on though is because we've never ever, when we get to this roundabout, went this way, but always go north to west. So this is, we are actually going on to the east coast part of the north coast 500.
Very tempted just to head to the other
We are
back.
very tempted just to go into another lane and head towards
Oh, it's miserable.
On your mark, ready, get set, let's go. Whoa, whoa. All your heart, no regret, let it show. Whoa, whoa. If you want it, go get it. Let's go get it. If you want it, go get it. Let's go get it. You could write the biggest song. You could run the fastest mile. You could bring your friends along. Do whatever makes you smile. You can get set, let's go. On your mark, ready, get set, let's go. Living like there's no tomorrow. On your mark, ready, get set, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Here we are, Golspie. There's the dogs out for their peas. So we're just parked over there, so you can see it. You can see the wee white van just there. Got a beach right outside, but it's quite a stony beach, so we're taking them a nice wee walk along to a sandy beach. Sharon always has a bag of shite in her hand. Don't you? Ah, we're on the beach with the noisy dog. Yes, you. Right, Buffy, quick, go get the ball. Go get Xander. Ready? Stay. Go get it. Are you ready? Let's run. Go, do zoomies. Go get him. Sharon, run and get it! Here's where we are, Golspie. We are now just heading to John O'Groats, just so we can tick that off, and that is that done. Got to stay to that. Got to stay to that.
You can make the win inside. Maybe even win the lotto. You can have